this is Andrew, and I'm a finance professor at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. I'm also the director for the MSQF program, that's Master of Science in Quantitative Finance. I'm glad I have opportunity to take this program to you to discuss the potential with the STEM majors. Well, first question you might have is, well, I already have a STEM major and I already know quantitative very well, have with strong skills in quantitative, analysis. What's the point for me to continue to learn and to get the master's degree in finance? Well, here is the fun part. A lot of financial companies, most of them you might have heard, actually are funded by STEM background, people. So here are some examples, right? Like Siemens is a mathematician, and he, funded Raisin Technologies. That's the largest hedge fund in the world with over half century in profitable history. Nobody can beat. And they have DE Xiang, you have Citadel, and you have UniCredit. And also the richest person in the world is Elon Musk, right? But he has, engineering background, and his first barrel of gold is not from engineering. It's from a fintech firm we know is PayPal. So here is the point I try to let you know is, given you have strong, STEM-based skills, and finance is the next step you can learn, and then you can combine your skills and use it in financial industry. So finance is not just about numbers or math or physics. Instead, it is about the risk and the return on daily business operation on portfolio management. Some of you might have heard or even try by yourself to do day trade in the stock market or even jump to the option market. Do you make money? Well, quite easy. And a lot of people actually lose money and even fail. So this program we will teach you take educated risk toward the decision-making process. And once you have this, technology, and with your quantitative skills, you already learn from your STEM major, then here are some job opportunity for you. All of them in the financial industry, we do like you a lot, do like STEM background student a lot, and the pay is very high. And I also have two real examples for you. One is a biology student from UNLV, and he came to my program 2 years ago. Now he's working for the hedge fund, in Las Vegas. Also, I have PhD engineering student from UC Irvine, and he already has 17 years of successful business, but he still come here and he say, well, the key for his success during over the past 17 years is he knows finance, and the biggest regret he has is that he wish he could have learned finance even earlier. So this program is designed for 1 year and is also a STEM designated. That means if you're an international student, you have 3 years OPT after graduate. Also, even though it's this is designed for full-time student, but we do allow you to complete this program over multiple years as a part-time student. Here's my phone number, here's my email, and feel free to contact us. And another thing I want to let you know is if you have a GPA of 3.2, and we can admit you without GMAT. You don't need to take GMAT. And also, if I have any GA position available, and I will first consider STEM majors to extend the GA offer. So again, I like you guys a lot, and please apply, and we can talk, and we can discuss the potential.